Evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second of 7 performances on the Millennium Stage this week as a part of the Young Arts at the Kennedy Center program in partnership and in celebration of the U.S. Presidential Scholars Program. The National Young Arts Foundation identifies and supports the next generation of artists in the visual, literary, design, and performing arts. If you would like to learn more about Young Arts, please visit youngarts.org. Tonight's performance features 2013 Young Arts alumnus in dance, Bharat Ram. Here to introduce the performance tonight is Mohan Ram, Bharat's father. Please welcome him to the stage.
Good evening. Namaste. Welcome to the program. Here's a brief biography of Bharat Ram so that you get to appreciate his performance today. Bharat Ram is an 18-year-old from San Antonio, Texas. He's born and brought up there. He has learned Bharatanatyam, the Indian classical dance form, from various renowned teachers since the age of 6. He gave his dance debut performance at the young age of 14, and he is probably the youngest American born to do so. Since then, as an invited artist, he has performed at various dance events, conventions, venues, and festivals, both in USA as well as India. Some of the events include Nrityantara 2012 in Bangalore, India, the Surya Dance Festival in St. Louis, 2013 Kannada Sahitya Ranga Convention in Houston, Navika Conference in Boston, Amerikanadotsava 2014 in Bangalore, and 2014 Akka World Conference in San Jose, and as recently as late last year in 2014 for an API convention in San Antonio, Texas. He is also the winner of numerous awards, including the North Texas Dance Scholarship and the 2011 San Antonio's Our Part of the Town Talent Competition. He was a national finalist in a dance competition organized by Gemini TV, and in 2012, he was a finalist in the National Young Arts Competition and was the winner of the Silver Award. In October 2014, he gave a solo performance and raised $6,800 for educational charities. He received critical acclaim. In April 2015, he toured across North America and gave performance in 7 cities. He received critical acclaim and widespread appreciation for his mastery and command of the dance form at such a young age. Just last week, Bharat graduated from Health Careers High School in San Antonio, Texas as the valedictorian, and he will be attending University of Texas in San Antonio on a full scholarship. And now we're going to have a performance by Bharat Ram. He will start his performance with Pushpanjali, basically in the Indian dance form. We start the dance by offering flowers to the Almighty God and pray Him for the smooth flowing of the whole event. In this, he is going to offer flowers to Nataraja, the god of dance. Then he will perform an invocation piece on Devi, the mother goddess, as well as the Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god, requesting his blessings to remove all obstacles and bless us for a smooth and successful program. The choreographers for these 2 pieces are Shilpa Krishnan and Sanjay Shantaram. The first one is set to tune Revati and then beat Adi. And the second one is set to tune Ragamalika and beat Adi again. Here are the first and second items by Bharat Ram.
ॐ हैं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीमात्रे शिवप्रियायै नमो नमः। ॐ हैं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीमात्रे शिवप्रियायै नमो नमः। ॐ हैं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीमात्रे
नाट्यवेद प्रणेतारं प्रपद्ये भरतमुनिं यस्याधिकारण सर्वे रसिकाः स्वानन्द निर्भराः सर्वे रसिकाः स्वानन्द निर्भराः स्वानन्द निर्भराः సానిగ సానిద మపద పద నిధని దని దని సానిగ సానిద మపద పద నిధని దని దని సాది గమగ దని దని గమ పద ని దని ద మగ సరి గమ గ సరి గమ పద ని దని దమ ప సరి సమగ దని దని ద sa maga దని 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 దమ ప మగ సరి గరి గమ ప మ ప దని స స మగ దని దని ని దని దమ ప ప మగ సరి గరి గమ ప మ ప దని స స మగ దని దని ని దని దమ ప ప మగ సరి గరి గమ ప మ ప దని స మగ దని 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 దమ ప మగ సరి గరి గమ ప మ ప ద మగ స మగ స మగ స మగ స దని స ని దమ ని దమ ని దమ ని దమ ప దని సరి గ సరి గ సరి గ సరి గ స ని ద స ని దమ ప ప దని స రి గ స ని దని స ని స రి గ స ని దని స ని స రి గ స స ని ద ని దమ మగ స రి గ మ ప దని స రి గ రి గ మ ప దని స రి గ మగ స స రి గ మ ప ద స రి గ మగ స స స ని ని దమ మగ గ స స ని ని దమ స రి గ రి గ మ గ మ ప ప దని స స రి గ రి గ మ గ మ ప ప దని స స రి గ రి గ మ గ మ ప ప దని స తుం నం తీం తత్ తత్ తీం తతి తత్ తీం తత్ తుం నం తీం తత్ తీం తతి తత్ తీం ఓంకార ప్రణవ రూప సిద్ధిదాయక సుముఖ తాది తుం తతాది తుం తత దితి తుం తుం నన్న తరి తజం దణ తజం తరి దణ జును దిమి తరి తజం దణ తజం తరి దణ జును దిమి అమామితం వినాయకం శివ శక్తి సుతం భజే తర్త దండ దండ జును జును త దిమి దిమి త దిమి తరి తన త జును త తత్తి కిట తత్తి కిట తత్తి కిట తత్ తత్ తం తం తరి ధన ధన తక్కిట తక్ తథతి ధిం ధిం ధిమి ధన ధిమి తక్కిట తత్తి కిట తుం తత్తి కిట తుం తత్తి కిట తుం కిడతగ తరికిట తుం కిడతగ తరికిట తుం కిడతగ తరికిట తుం జగత్కారణం కారణజ్ఞానరూపం సురాదిం సుఖాదిం గుణేశం గణేశం జగద్వ్యాపినం విశ్వవంద్యం సురేశం జగద్వ్యాపినం విశ్వవంద్యం సురేశం పరబ్రహ్మరూపం గణేశం భజేమ పరబ్రహ్మరూపం గణేశం భజేమ పరబ్రహ్మరూపం గణేశం భజేమ గణేశం భజేమ గణేశం భజేమ
For the benefit of some of you who have been watching this kind of dance for the first time, this is a dance form from southern India. It's called Bharatanatyam. Natyam stands for dance. Bha stands for bhava. Bhava means emotion, acting. Right? And then Ra stands for raga, the tune. And then Ta stands for tala, that's the beat. A dance form that encompasses all these three of them, the tune, the beat, and then the emotions, is called Bharatanatyam. And generally this form of dance is uses all the stories from the Indian mythology, and then weaves in that, uses that to portray this dance form. And Bharat is using some of those stories as he demonstrates these items. The next item is Banda Nodi Govinda Krishna. Lord Govinda is the Supreme Lord, Lord of our hearts and our most beloved one. He is the existence absolute, knowledge absolute, and the bliss absolute. In his divine manifestation, the Lord took a human form to protect his devotees. As Krishna, he enchanted gopis with his magical flute and playfulness. Of all the stories of Krishna and his playfulness, the one that captures everyone's imagination is that of him stealing butter from the houses of the village and sharing it with his friends. Although the next dance has the butter thief Krishna as its theme, it also portrays the 10 avatars, that is, the 10 divine manifestations the Lord has taken and come to this earth to protect good from evil. Also in this dance, Bharat will enact the story of Gajendra Moksha, wherein an elephant, which stands for Gajendra, a devotee of Lord Vishnu, is caught by a crocodile while drinking water in a river. His attempts to escape are in vain. Then Lord Vishnu comes down to earth to protect Gajendra, the elephant, from the clutches of Makara, the crocodile. He cuts the head off of the crocodile, thus giving salvation to both the elephant and the crocodile. Here is Banda Nodi Govinda Krishna. This is choreographed by Geeta Saralaya. Raga, that is the tune, is Todi, and the beat is Adi.
Krishna Bandanodi Bandanodi Govinda Krishna Bandanodi Bandanodi Govinda Krishna Bandanodi Bandanodi Govinda Krishna Bandanodi Govinda Krishna Bandanodi Bandanodi Govinda Krishna Bandanodi Banda ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಸರ್ವರ ಪೊರವದಯಾನಿಧಿಯೇ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಸರ್ವರ ಪೊರವದಯಾನಿಧಿಯೇ ಕರಿಯವರನ ಚಕ್ರದಿ ಉದ್ಧರಿಸಿದ ಕರಿಯವರನ ಚಕ್ರದಿ ಉದ್ಧರಿಸಿದ ಕರಿಯವರನ ಚಕ್ರದಿ ಉದ್ಧರಿಸಿದ ಕರಿಯವರನ ಚಕ್ರದಿ ಉದ್ಧರಿಸಿದ ಹರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಪ ಪಾಲ್ಕಡನೊಡೆಯನು ಬಂದ ರಂಗ ಬಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲವಂತೆ ಸರ್ವದ ಬಾಳ್ಪುದು ದಯವಂತೆ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲವಂತೆ ಸರ್ವದ ಬಾಳ್ಪುದು ದಯವಂತೆ ಹರಸುವ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕರೆದು ಬರವೀವ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನು ಬಂದ ರಂಗ ಬಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದ ನಂದ ತೀರ್ಥ ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಬಂದ ಹರಿ ನಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನು ಬಂದ ನಂದ ತೀರ್ಥ ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಬಂದ ಹರಿ ನಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನು ಬಂದ ರಂಗ ಬಂದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ ರಂಗ ಬಂದ
Can I have some light here, please? The next dance depicts Lord Shiva, who is described as holding the damaru or the drum in his right hand and a sacrificial fire in the other. He is said to have a moon in his matted hair, which also controls the mighty Ganges river. Shiva, along with his consort Parvati, lives in Mount Kailas and rides Nandi the bull. This dance contains a unique jati or a word based on the believed original sounds of Shiva's drum, Damaru, which created this universe. This story also portrays the story of Markandeya, a devotee of Shiva who is cursed to die at the young age of 16. However, Markandeya prays to Shiva to remove this curse and bless him with a longer life so that he can take care of his aging parents. When Yama, the god of death, appears to take Markandeya away, Markandeya refuses to go and continues to pray Lord Shiva. Yama wraps Markandeya in his noose and begins to drag him away when Shiva appears. Shiva knocks down Yama, the god of death, and blesses Markandeya with a long and complete life. And here is the dance Shambho.
रत्नैः कल्पितमासनम् हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम् नानारत्नविभूषितम् मृगमला मोदार्कितं चन्दनम् जाति चम्पक बिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देव दयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यता हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यता नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय सारे गा मगरि सा पानी सानी पग नी सारी रि गा रि सा सानी प नी पग रि सा नी ता 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 धीम 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 ता धी धी धीम ता ता धी धी ता ता धी धी तुम तुम दम दम ता ता धी धी तुम तुम दम दम ता 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 धी 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 तुम 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 दम 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 ता 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 धी 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 तुम तुम तुम
ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭೂತಗಣಾರ್ಚಿತ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭೂತಗಣಾರ್ಚಿತ ಮುನಿಜನ ಸೇವಿತ ನಂದೀಶ ಈಶ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭೂತಗಣಾರ್ಚಿತ ಮುನಿಜನ ಸೇವಿತ ನಂದೀಶ ಈಶ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭೂತಗಣಾರ್ಚಿತ ಮುನಿಜನ ಸೇವಿತ ನಂದೀಶ ಈಶ ಭಸ್ಮ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಭೂತಗಣಾರ್ಚಿತ ಮುನಿಜನ ಸೇವಿತ ನಂದೀಶ ಈಶ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಗಪ ಗಪ ಗರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ನಿ ಗ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ನಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ಗ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ 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 ಶಿವ
ಐ ಉನ್ ತ ತ ಧಿ ಧಿ ತುಂ ತುಂ ನಂ ನಂ ರಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ ತ ತ ಧಿ ಧಿ ತುಂ ತುಂ ನಂ ನಂ ಏ ಉಂ ತ ಧಿ ತುಂ ನಂ ಐ ಔಚ್ ತ ಧಿ ತುಂ ನಂ ತದಿಗಿನ ತುಂ ಅಯ್ಯವರ ಲಣ್ ಯಮ್ಮಂಗಣ್ಣ ನಂ ತತ್ತಿಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ದಿಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ತಕ ದಿಕುತ ದಿಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ झबै ताम तकिट धीम तकिट गडदश तूम तकिट नम तकिट जब गडदश ताम तकिट धीम तकिट ता धी तूम नम कप चटत चटतौ गबै शस सर अल ताम दरि तक जुण्णु धीम दरि तक जुण्णु तोम दरि तक जुण्णु गडग दरगड तुम गडग दरगड तुम गडग दरगड तुम ता गडग दरगड तुम ता गडग दरगड तुम ता गडग दरगड तुम तक दिक्कु दरगड तुम तक दिक्कु दरगड तुम तक दिक्कु दरगड तुम
ರಾವಣ ಕರುಣ ಕಾಮನ ದಹನ ದ್ವಂದ್ವತೆ ಕಾರಣ ಜಗದೊಳು ಹರಿತವರುಂಟೆ ರಾವಣ ಕರುಣ ಕಾಮನ ದಹನ ದ್ವಂದ್ವತೆ ಕಾರಣ ಜಗದೊಳು ಹರಿತವರುಂಟೆ ಬಾಲನ ಹರಿಸಿ ಕಾಲನ ಜಯಿಸಿ ಬಾಲನ ಹರಿಸಿ ಕಾಲನ ಜಯಿಸಿ ಬಾಲನ ಹರಿಸಿ ಕಾಲನ ಜಯಿಸಿ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ಕಾಲಾಗ್ನಿ ರುದ್ರನೆ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವಪತೆ ಉಮಾಪತೆ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ 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 ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ಕಾಲಾಗ್ನಿ ರುದ್ರನೆ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವಪತೆ ಉಮಾಪತೆ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಶಿವ ಗ ಗಪ ಗಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ನಿ ಗ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ನಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ತಾಂಡವ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಭವ ಭಯಹರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಶಿವ 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 ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ
Most of you might have heard of the monkey god in the Hindu philosophy or Hindu mythology. So then the next piece is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the Lord of the Monkeys. In this, the dancer describes the power of Lord Hanuman when he defeats the pride of the strong and muscular Bhima when their encounter happens in the forest and the mighty Bhima fails to move even the tail of the monkey god. Just to give you a few more words or context to that story, this is basically Bhima is considered kind of Atlas from the Greek mythology. He is very powerful, very strong. He is very proud of his strength. So he says that I'm the strongest man. And one day his wife says, "Oh, I smell a very fragranceful flower. Can you bring that flower to me?" He says, "No problem, I'll go get it for you." So he goes into the forest, and there he encounters an old monkey lying on the floor, and its tail has kind of crossed the pathway. So he tells the monkey, "I need to pass through, so take your tail off." Monkey says, "Oh, I'm too old. Can you please help me move the tail yourself away, push it aside, and then do what you want to do?" But he tries with one hand, with both the hands, with all his strength, and then he fails. And eventually his pride is vanquished, and then he understands that he realizes this is Lord Hanuman, and he is more powerful devotee of Lord Rama, one of the another avatars of Lord Vishnu. So in this story, the dance, you will see that part of the enactment. Other episodes such as Hanuman flying out of India across the mighty oceans to reach Sri Lanka, wherein Rama's wife Sita is held captive, and Hanuman gives the precious ring to Lord Rama, precious ring that he has gotten from Lord Rama to Sita, challenging the 10-headed demon Ravana and burning down the city of Lanka itself with his mighty tail, are also depicted in this piece. This is choreographed by Sanjay Shantaram and set to tune or raga Purvi Kalyani, and Tala or the beat Adi. Again, Hanuman Padam.
Namo ನಡೆದೆ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾ ಸೀತಾ ಮಾತಾ ಸೀತಾ ಮಾತಾ ಸೀತಾ ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರ ಕಟ್ಟಾಳಾಗಿ ನೀ ನಡೆದೆ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಮುದ್ರೆಯುಂಗುರವೀತೆ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಮುದ್ರೆಯುಂಗುರ ರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರ ಕಟ್ಟಾಳಾಗಿ ನೀ ನಡೆದೆ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಮುದ್ರೆಯುಂಗುರವೀತೆ ಆ ಮಹಾಲಂಕೆ ಮಹಾಲಂಕೆ ನಗರವನೆಲ್ಲವನು ಭೂಮಧಾಮವ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆರೆದೆ ಹನುಮ ಆ ಮಹಾಲಂಕೆ ನಗರವನೆಲ್ಲವನು ನೀ ಧೂಮಧಾಮವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆರೆದೆ ಆ ಮಹಾಲಂಕೆ ನಗರವನೆಲ್ಲವನು ಧೂಮಧಾಮವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆರೆದೆ ಹನುಮ ಆ ಮಹಾಲಂಕೆ ನಗರವನೆಲ್ಲವನು ನೀ ಧೂಮಧಾಮವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆರೆದೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವನಮೋ ಶ್ರೀಮದಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಕುಲಪತಿಯೆಂದೇ ನೀಪ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ರೂಪ ಶ್ರೀಮದಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಕುಲಪತಿಯೆಂದೇ ನೀಪ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ರೂಪ ಶ್ರೀ ಮನೋಹರ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪ್ರೇಮದಾಳು ಹನುಮಂತ ಬಲವಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಮನೋಹರ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪ್ರೇಮದಾಳು ಹನುಮಂತ ಬಲವಂತ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ ಪ್ರೇಮದಾಳು ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ 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 ಪ್ರೇಮದಾಳು ಹನುಮಂತ ಬಲವಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವ ನಮೋ
Before Bharat performs his last item, Bharat Ram and his family would like to thank the National Young Arts Association as well as the John F. Kennedy Center of Performing Arts, all its staff, and all of you who made this event more colorful and made it happen. Thank you very much. And here is his last item. Surya, the sun god, brings happiness and vitality to both the animal kingdom and the plant kingdom on a daily basis. His arrival dawns the beginning of a glorious day. As per Hindu mythology, the sun god rides from the east on a golden chariot driven by 7 horses. He is the son of sage Kashyap and is described as having the feet like a lotus. The dancer prostrates in front of the sun god with Surya Namaskar, or the yoga position, in praise of Lord Surya, the sun god. Also, look for dance movements depicting the movement of his chariot and horses in this dance. This is set to raga, or the tune, Vrindavani, and tala, the beat, Adi. Thank you once again, and enjoy the last piece.
कश्यपात्मजम् श्वेतपद्मधरं देवं तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहम् तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहम् तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहम् तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहम् ಸಪ್ತಾಶ್ವಖರ ಪುಟದಿ ಸ್ವಪ್ರಕಾಶ ರವಿ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ದಿನ ಮಣಿಯು ಪ್ರಖರ ಕಿರಣಗಳ ಭುವಿಗೆ ಬೀರೆ ಖರ ಪುಟ ತಕ ಧಿಮಿ ಸಪ್ತಾಶ್ವಖರ ಪುಟದಿ ಸ್ವಪ್ರಕಾಶ ರವಿ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ದಿನ ಮಣಿಯು ಪ್ರಖರ ಕಿರಣಗಳ ಭುವಿಗೆ ಬೀರೆ ಖರ ಪುಟ ತಕ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ಧಿರನ ತಿಮಿರೋನ್ಮಥನ ಶತ್ರು ವಿನಾಶ ಧಿರನತ ತಿಮಿರೋನ್ಮಥನ ಶತ್ರು ವಿನಾಶ ಧಿರನ ನಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲ ಮಧುಪ ಧಿರನತ ನಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲ ಮಧುಪ ಮಿತ್ರ ದಿವಾಕರ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ವಾಸರೇಶ್ವರ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಭು ಮಿತ್ರ ದಿವಾಕರ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ವಾಸರೇಶ್ವರ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಬುಧಿಂ ಹುಕುಂ ಧರಿತ ಧೀಂ ಹುಕುಂ ಧಣತ ಧೀಂ ಹುಕುಂ ಧರಿತ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ತ ನೀ ಜಗದೊಡೆಯ ಕಶ್ಯಪತನೆಯ ಮೂರ್ಲೋಕವೆಲ ನಿನ್ನದಯ ದಿಧಿಂ ಹುಕುಂ ಧರಿತ ದಿಧಿಂ ಹುಕುಂ ಧಣತ ದಿಧಿಂ ಹುಕುಂ ತಕಿತ ಧಿಂ ತತಕಿತ ನೀ ಜಗದೊಡೆಯ ಕಶ್ಯಪತನೆಯ ಮೂರ್ಲೋಕವೆಲ ನಿನ್ನದಯ ತರಿತ ಧಣತ ಜೊಣುತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟತ ಧಣತ ಜೊಣುತ ಧಿಮಿತ ರವಿ ತ್ರಿಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಧಾರಿ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ರವಿ ಜಗದೇಕ ಚಕ್ಷುಷೇ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ತದಿಂ ಗಿಣತ್ತುಂ ರವಿ ತ್ರಿಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಧಾರಿ ರವಿ ಜಗದೇಕ ಚಕ್ಷುಷೇ ರವಿ ತ್ರಿಲೋಚನಂ ರವಿ ದ್ವಾದಶಾತ್ಮಜಂ ತೇಜ ಪುಂಜ ದಿನಪಂ ತಪಸನ್ जगदेक चक्षुषे रवित्रिलोचनं रविद्वादशात्मजं तेज पुञ्ज पिनपं तपसनं इंतेन्दु सिरिपद पुञ्जदिं सुररु मुनिवररु नररु भजिपरु इंतेन्दु सिरिपद पुञ्जदिं सुररु मुनिवररु नररु भजिपरु धीं 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 कुकुंत धीं धीं कुकुंत धीं धीं कुकुंत धीं कुकुंत धीं कुकुंत धीं कुकुंत कुकुंत तां कुकुंत दिकुंत तै कुकुंत दिकुंत तकुंत त तदि गिणत त तदि गिणत त तदि गिणत कुकुंत तां कुकुंत दिकुंत तै कुकुंत दिकुंत तकुंत त तदि गिणत त तदि गिणत त तदि गिणत कुकुंत तां कुकुंत दिकुंत तै कुकुंत दिकुंत तकुंत त तदि गिणत त तदि गिणत त तदि गिणत तां सप्ताश्वरतमारूढम् प्रचण्डं कश्यपात्मजम्